everyone, Delightful Dolls here. Quickly before we get started, the shoutouts for today go to Maria Jimenez, Ashwani Sharma, and Peace Fam. Thank you so much for commenting. And remember, if you'd like a shoutout, all you have to do is comment something nice in my videos. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some earbuds or earphones for your doll. I think they are a really cute accessory and really add a nice touch to your doll. So first you're going to want to take some it's like really thin wire, but it's almost like a string. You could probably use a string too, but this is what I would recommend. And then you basically want to grab the doll and you're going to just measure from the ear of the doll to where you would want the earphones to end. And then repeat and make one just as the same length. Next, find the spot where you want the earphones to connect, and then all you're going to do is twist the excess ends together, as you can see I'm doing here. Once that is all twisted up, you can kind of start to imagine how it's going to be looking. Then I'm taking some wire here and I'm just cutting some small pieces with my wire cutters, the same size. And then I kind of fold them in half so they are like an L. And one side should be a little bit longer, which will be the side that's going into the doll's ear. So once you have these pieces ready, you want to glue the shorter side to the ends of the earphones, as you can see I'm doing here, and then you just want to kind of hold that in place until it dries. Once it is kind of cooled off, I even like to take my fingers and kind of just shape it a little bit. You won't burn yourself, especially if it is very cold, but make sure you are careful for this part. And then once they look like this, you can take some nail polish and color them. I like using the original color, which is white. And then you basically just put that all over the earbuds. Of course, if your wire already is a color, you could keep it that color, but I just think it's a nice way to customize it. Once that layer was dry, I actually like to take this little sparkly nail polish, and I think it adds a really cute touch to it. Kind of makes it look sparkly and shimmery, and I just really like it. Next, once you're at this stage, you're going to want to have a phone to be able to glue to the end. You can use this. You can make a phone from how to make a doll phone video that I made, or you can use a magazine printout, which is what I'll be using. Then you basically want to have another piece ready, and you're going to glue the end in between the phone pieces so it looks nice and clean, as you can see I'm doing here. And then it looks like the earbuds are attached or plugged into the phone. Now, if your doll's ears aren't pierced already, you can watch my how to make doll earrings video because I show how to pierce your doll's ears. But once they are pierced, you just stick the ends into the doll's ears and you are done. Then you can position the phone into your doll's hand to make it look like she's listening to her favorite music. So I hope you guys like this craft, and I would definitely recommend it. It really adds a nice touch to your dolls. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!